How to post a GIF on Reddit. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch and follow this video till the end. Open Reddit like this. And right now you should go and click on create. So after that, select the title and the body text and come and click here on the video icon. Right now search for your GIF. Search for your GIF. For example, me, I'm going to search for one. This, for example, and I will make it like this to make it as a GIF. So, like this. And right now, when you are done, click next. And as you see here, the video or the GIF is already. And click post when you are finished. And that's all guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.